Good morning, everyone. My name is Andre Ramirez, and today we're presenting our project titled Senior Housing Apartment Building. This project was delivered in collaboration with my partner Regina Rios. Our goal with this project is to design a functional and accessible senior housing building that prioritizes comfort, community, and sustainability. In the presentation, I will explain our design process, plans, and key features. The presentation is divided into the following sections: general project information, site plans, 3D views, level-by-level floor plans, elevation, section and wall details, and conclusion. This slide presents the general matrix of the project. It includes an overview of key components, the general layout and organization of the building. In this slide, you can see the detailed fire separation. The ground floor fire separation ensures safety and shares space like the dining hall and recreation rooms in that area. In the second floor, include barriers between residential suite and common areas. And in the section fire separations, use fire-resistant materials to protect safety and critical areas. Fire safety is a top priority in a senior housing building. This is the site plan. The site plan includes legal description. The building is in municipal address Warden Avenue, Scarborough. City of Toronto is the zoning is institutional and apartment. The coverage is at the site area is 2,854 square meters. The building area is 3,988 square meters. The setback is at the required 1.5, and we provide at 1.5, and inside north and rear southwest the 7.5 meters. The building statistic: the ground floor is 3,988 meters. Level the 2 to 9 is at 32,598 meters. In total to the building is at 36,586 meters. The general parking, we have -1 parking, is 46 parking in total. In this slide, show the 3D views of the building from all directions. We see the view, the south perspective view, the north perspective view, and east and west perspective with the visualization, building design, and integration with the environment. In this slide, we can see the -1 level. It designed an efficient parking space, including 42 general parking space, 4 area free space for residential or visitor with mobility challenges. This on the ground level optimizes the use of space without interfering with the ground level recreation areas. You can see the access here and the total area. In this slide is the ground floor has been designed to offer a variety of service and material for the residents. We have the common areas is connect to everything. We have the elevators and stairs, and we have a like entry area here, the pool area, the male and female change room. We have a concentrate the office in this area. The pharmacy is here. We have the dining room in this area. And everything is connected around to the common areas. We have a health and services area, like a medical consultation room, pharmacy, care room. And we have additional amenities like hair salon, tuck shop, like a small convenience store. And we have a party room. The ground floor layout ensures residents has access to essential service and social areas to improve their quality of life and encourage community interactions. This is the second level. The second level is involved in garden terraces to make the connection with the green areas. In all units have a connection with the green areas. We have night suite, the A2I. We have a night type different to the suite, designed to offer a variety of layout or size to meet the needs and different residents. The circulation area is in the center. We have a 2 access with elevators and start there. This space provides opportunity for relaxation and connection. This is the garden terrace. The design was focuses on maximum comfort, functionality, and accessibility for all residents. This is the rose plan slide. We have the green roof. It's involving all the building. And we have the 4 row S's with the each one. And the glass room is allows safe maintenance and monitoring. And the glass room provides natural lighting to reduce electricity and consumption. In this slide, we can see the unit plan details. In this area, we have a zoom for suite A, B, C, and I. This suite is with 2 rooms. It's the only with the 2 rooms. The rest have a like small one in this area and the bigger one in that part. Here is the unit plans. Is the overview of all the unit plans. The design ensures to each resident ample living space, easily accessibility, and private while maintaining proximity to shared community space. This suite was in the corner, the suite F, and the suite E is the small one with just the washroom, the small kitchen and bed. In this unit plan slide, we have the suite G, A, and H. The suite A is had 2 rooms and 1 kitchen area and 1 bathroom they have to share. In the suite H, we have a principal room with a small kitchen and big area like a dining room. In this slide, present the north and south elevation of the building. The facades incorporate large windows to natural light. The design focuses on clean lines and modern material to create welcoming appearance. This is the elevation east and west. This is the sections to the building. In this slide, you can see the floor connections, room height and structural elements, and we can see the sections, the wall sections here. And this section helps visualize the internal structure and how the space are organized. The wall sections, the details to the sections, the unit plans, with the door schedule, window legend, door legends, and wall sections. Thank you so much for your comments and questions.